So for the worksheet, it says in a farmyard, there are pigs and chickens only. So those are the only two animals in the farmyard. The number of animal heads is 11, and the number of animal legs is 36. So use the variable P for pig and C for chicken. The first system is going to have to do with the number of heads in the farmyard. There's 11 total. So what would that system be? Very basic, easy system. Aeneas, what would it be? That's right. The number of pigs plus the number of chickens is equal to 11. The second system has to do with the legs. So there are 36 legs on these pigs and chickens combined. Who would know this one? Lucas, what would you have for this one? Yep, 4p, 4 legs per pig plus 2 legs per chicken is equal to 36. You choose after how you want to solve it. Do you want to do elimination by multiplying the first system either by a 4 or a 2? Or do you want to do substitution by, let's say, subtracting C from system 1? Set up the second one. This one here is actually the harder of the two because of the second system. So I really want you to think if you could do this second one. This is one where I have to pick a number. Okay, so let's look at this one. In a neighboring farmyard, once again, there's only chickens and pigs. And the number of legs in this farmyard is 58. So based on that, Carly, what would the first system be with the legs equaling 58? Yes, 4 legs per pig plus 2 legs per chicken. There's 58 legs total. The second system, like I said, I think is a more complicated one. There are 8 more chickens than pigs. So it is either going to be P is equal to C plus 8 or C is equal to P plus 8. How I do that is I pick a number. There's 8 more chickens than pigs. I know that there's less pigs. So I'm going to pick a number for pigs, and I'm going to pick 10. If there's 8 more chickens, how many chickens would there be? There'd be 18. So which system makes sense? First one or second? The second. So which one would you say? Second. Yep. The number of chickens is the number of pigs. So if I have 10 pigs, 10 plus 8 will give me 18. So it's the second. C is equal to P plus 8. I would probably do substitution for this one, right? You know what C is. Take C out in your first system and substitute in P plus 8. I'll pick 2 different people for this. The numbers one. The sum of 2 numbers is 7. Will be the first system. Second system, the larger. Let's let X be the larger. The larger number is 2 less than twice the smaller. Oh, and what's the first system? Yes, X plus Y equals 7. Second system, larger is 2 less than twice the smaller. Danny, what do you have? I know what you're doing with that. You're getting something mixed up. Here, Danny, you said 2y. The larger number here, it's just x. So you're switching something. Anybody else want to try the second system? The larger number, so we've got that to be x, is, Jaden, what do you think? Yes. 2 less is minus 2, twice the smaller is y, twice the smaller would be that. So x is equal to 2y minus 2. Actually, Dan, what did you say? Okay, yours would have actually been really close, but it would be x plus 2 is equal to 2y. Yeah. What would you do? How is this one set up? Substitution, yeah. I'd probably be doing substitution. You could do elimination, right? In one move, you could subtract the 2y from the second system, and then you could eliminate the x's. So you choose whether you want to substitute or eliminate for this one. Okay, set up these two systems. The perimeter of the rectangle is 42. So remember, this one doesn't change. What's going to happen in 20-1, it's going to change from perimeter questions to area. So it'll be the area of the rectangle is, so length times width. But perimeter is 42. Second system, length is 3 less than twice the width. Tristan, what's the perimeter of the rectangle system? No, sorry, just for this one here. The perimeter of the rectangle is 42. Yep, is equal to what? Yes. Second system. How many people have it? I just want to see. Okay. Julie, do you have it? I wasn't sure if you raised your hand. Oliver, do you have it? What do you have? Just say that second part again. Yes. Yep, 2 width minus 3. So 3 less is minus 3. Twice the width is 2w. Again, I'd probably do substitution. You pick. This one is one where you might have to like pick a number and then check. One system is very easy. The second system you have to think about. There are 38 students in a Math 10C class, boys and girls. So let's use B and G for our two variables. And there's 38 students. 20 more boys and girls. So let's get the first system out of the way, the simpler of the two. Julie, what would the first system be? Yes. Boys and girls, there's 38 students total. Second, 20 more boys than girls. So it's either this or it's this. And like I would have pick a number. So 20 more boys than girls. What are there less of? Girls. So I always give like the number 10 or whatever number to the less. So there's 10 girls. If there's 20 more boys than girls, how many boys would there be? There'd be 30. So based on these numbers, which one would make sense? First or second? Carly, what would you say? The first one. Yep. Because boys, if I put 30 here, it's equal to the number of girls, 10 plus 20, 30 equals 30. Yeah. So it would be the second, or sorry, this system here, which would be B is equal to G plus 20. You could do elimination, or you could do substitution. Figure out those five, and then the answers are uploaded for you.